Hi guys, it's Miss Sam from Only, and today we're going to learn about what's inside our bodies. Alright, how our bodies move. So first thing we're going to need a piece of paper and some markers. First thing I want you to do is go like this. Go like this. What do you guys think is inside your fingers and inside your body? Go like this. Go like this. Tap it. Tap your elbow. What's that? It's hard. So we have bones inside our bodies. All right. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw some bones. So we're going to draw our head, which is called the skeleton. I'm going to draw a skeleton, and that's kind of skeleton head kind of looks like that. And then we're just going to draw some lines like this. These are going to be our bones. You have lots of bones inside your body, and then you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you have, go like this. Right here. Okay, see? Right here like this. You guys can feel you have your ribs. So you're going to go like this. And then stand up right about here. Put your hands on your hips. You have your hips. Okay. And then we're going to make our legs and your feet and your toes. Now, underneath all those bones, what holds all those bones together? I'm going to go like this. I want to see your big, strong, what are these? Muscles. So you have muscles. You have muscles in your hands and in your arms and in your legs. You have lots of muscles in your feet. So we're going to color our muscles pink. You have muscles in your back. Did you guys know you have muscles in your face? Go like this. Smile. Frown. Raise your eyebrows. You have muscles all the way in there. So we're going to put some muscles in our face. Okay. Now, everyone go like this. Go. Those are your lungs. And your lungs are right here inside your rib cage. And your rib cage is what keeps, remember those bones? Those are the bones that keep your ribs safe, because it's like a plastic bag. You can't, if you poke it, it's gonna get a hole in it, right? All right, go like this. Who can do this? Put your hand on your heart. Can you feel it? That's your heart beating. Your heart pumps everything, so your heart is right about here. Also protected by your rib cage. Okay. I think I'm hungry. If I eat something, where does it go? It goes into your stomach. Your stomach is right here. And then, after you eat, your food comes in your mouth, And there's this part here is called your esophagus. It's right here in the middle. And these bones all the way up and down your back, like this. That's called your spinal cord. Goes in your esophagus, and then it goes into your stomach, your food. And then it goes into your intestines. You have 2 different intestines. It has a big one. And then there's a little intestine too. And those help make it so you have to use the bathroom. But it takes all the good nutrients and the bad nutrients and separates them out. So if you eat something that has a lot of fat or a lot of sugar, it's going to say, okay, these are the things that are good for you and these are the things that are not good for you. It's going to keep the things that are good for you, and you're going to get rid of the things that are not good for you. What happens when you get a cut? Does anybody know? That's right, it bleeds. So all through your whole body, you have blood. Go like this. Do you guys see those blue lines? It's hard to see on the camera. Can you guys see mine? Right here? Those are your veins. And your blood is actually blue. But when it has oxygen in it, like with what's in the air, then it makes it turn red. Kind of cool, huh? So you're going to make some blue and some red lines all around your whole body. Because your blood goes everywhere, all right? Because if you get a cut anywhere, it gets everywhere, right? So you're going to make some blue lines. And your heart, right here, helps make sure that your body, it gives you the oxygen that you need for your blood too. It helps keep it moving. And these are your veins. Move all the way around your whole body. Oh, we forgot one super big important thing. What is this? Your head, right? Does anybody know what's inside your head? That's right, your brain. Your brain, it's what helps you think, helps you make decisions. It helps make everything that you do. It helps your heart pump, helps your muscles move, it helps you look, helps you see. Your brain does everything because there's these little things in there that are connected to your whole body. So if you step on something and it hurts, it goes all the way from your foot, shoop, all the way up to your brain. So we're going to add our brain in here. And your brain is usually like a pink or a gray. Okay. And then we're going to add some little yellow things. And these are the, actually I'm going to add them with this, like this. And those are your nerves. That's what I was telling you before, about how if you step on something, your nerves take it. Your nerves all around your whole body. Your nerves take it from your foot all the way up to your brain. And then we have one last thing. What is this? What did we have on top of it? On top that keeps everything inside. Because we can't see our nerves or our muscles or our bones, our veins or anything like that, can we? Otherwise we'd look like that guy. It's pretty weird, right? So, we have skin that protects us all. Here's this guy's skin. So if I were to draw him, that's what his inside would look like. All right. So now you guys can draw a picture of your bodies and what they look like on the inside. You have your organs like your heart and your lungs, your stomach and your brain. You have your red and your blue blood. You have your bones. You have your nerves, right? The yellow dots are the nerves. You have your muscles, help you bend. And you have your skin. All right, I can't wait to see what you guys draw. I'll see you later. Bye.